All right, so I'm just going to make a very short and quick tutorial here on how to install mod packs that are in a zip format into Curseforge. It's a pretty simple thing. So without further ado, we will get started on that. All right. So the first thing you're going to need is Curseforge itself. So we'll just go to the Curseforge website. I already have it installed, but I will just show you where you can get it. So on the Curseforge website, you'll want to go Curseforge app right here, and then download and install, save, and then the normal installation process for like any program that you would do. Once you have it installed, it will look like, let me just pull it up here. Mine's gonna obviously look a little different to yours, but I'll show you. Give me a second. Give it a second here to fire up. Okay, cool. First, Curseforge. All right, so when you first fire it up, you're probably going to see this page here. So for Minecraft, you're going to want to click on Minecraft, and it will bring you to this page here. Of course, it will be empty. You won't have all these mod packs in it. Now, to install a mod pack that's in a zip format, so like my mod pack that I made, what you want to do is you want to click create custom profile. Then you want to go import import for a previously created profile. And then you'll want to browse to wherever your mod pack is. This is mine here. Click open. And then you should see, there we go, here it is on mine. It's finalizing and adding it in right now. It'll just take it, depending on how big the mod pack is, it'll take it either a few minutes or a few seconds. But yeah, and it'll just do its check. So yeah, for mine, it's going to take a little bit because I got 61 minutes, but not too long. Okay, there we go. There, so there, now it's in, and then you just click, and then before you click on play, actually, you're going to click on it. So it'll bring you to like a page like this. You can see what mods are installed. It doesn't always show all the mods here. Usually it shows most of them, but not always does it show all of them. But anyway, and you're going to want to click on 3 dots and go profile options. And you want to scroll down to use memory settings. You're going to want to turn that off. And you want to allocate, you don't want to manually allocate RAM to the mod pack, depending on how big the mod pack is. Some will need more RAM, some will need less. I would say for most mod packs, around 6 gigs probably would be about right for most. Like I said, some will need less, some will need more. So 6 gigs, that'd be 6144. So we'll bring this up to 6144, and that should cover most mod packs. Lighter weight mod packs will obviously need less. Ones that have a lot of mods, like a lot of them will probably need more, but you don't want to do that. Adjust it to how you see fit. My mod pack, I think 6 is about right with mine. And then you're going to click done, and then play, and it should just launch it up like normal. It might take it a little bit for it to like do the initial Minecraft updates and whatnot, but on the first run. But yeah, that's all there should be to that. And that's how you install a Curseforge mod pack from a zip file. It's pretty simple. Also, if you're unfamiliar with Curseforge and you're curious as to like what there is for other mod packs like that other creators made, you can click on browse mod packs and you can see like all different ones that other people have made. You can filter it by game version, so if you want mod packs specifically for 1.19.2, or if you want ones of certain categories, if you want to go by featured or popularity, like you can specify your parameters, and yeah, or you can search them up here if you want. But anyway, that's all there is to it, to installing mod packs. And then yeah, you can just play on them here. They'll show up in here, and you can just play them. And yeah, I have it now in here twice, so I'm just going to because I just reinstall it to show this. But anyway, yeah, you can right click on them and delete them too if you don't feel like you need it anymore. Anyway, thanks for watching.